Many TikTok accounts are making thousands of dollars through the new TikTok Creativity Program. While scrolling through TikTok videos, I found many great niches. However, this particular one I found has only one account doing it, and it had millions of views, so it's a great opportunity. These videos are really simple to make, and I'll show you how to make them so that you also can earn through the TikTok Creativity Partner Program. The first step is to create the script. We will use ChatGPT. Let's write. Create 20 questions that would cause curiosity gaps for the viewer using the What Would Happen If framework. I'll add the prompt to the description so you don't have to write it. I want to make the video about what if we found a way to live forever, so I'll write this prompt. Change the question to the one you prefer. An important tip here is to write, "You are a professional copywriter" at the start, and keep the use of simple English. That improves ChatGPT's response quality. Now, normally people will tell you to start generating images for each section. Then you would have to create the voiceover, and then edit everything together. Add music, transitions, and everything. I value your time, so I'll show you how to do it fast. I will teach you how to do all that in one simple step, which will allow you to generate hundreds of videos easily. Now let's create the videos. For this, I will use Fleeky, the only program that has everything we need in one place. A very high-quality AI image generator, stock footage, voiceover, AI avatar, music, transitions, and it even generates the script. You can try this tool for free. A link to the tool will be in the description. First, click on New File and enter the video name. You can change the language, dialect, aspect ratio, and the type of video you want. I'll keep everything as default, it's pretty good. Then click on Submit. This is where the real magic happens. Just write the prompt in the idea prompt section. You don't have to be super specific, just give an idea. You can also generate the video from a blog post, a PowerPoint presentation, a tweet, or a product. For the duration, I like to keep it at 1 minute, which normally generates a 45-second video. Then, you have the option to select what kind of media you want. You can use stock media integrated into the platform, or it can generate the images with their AI image generator. I'll use the second option because it generates great images. You also have more options, such as including an AI avatar, sound effects, headings, and stickers. For this kind of video, I won't use the AI avatar or the headings, but I'll enable the other options. Now, you just have to click on Submit. A really important tip here is that in order to apply for monetization, your videos should be at least 1 minute long. We are now in the video generation section, which features multiple scenes, each approximately 5 seconds long. Normally, the first scene is designed to grab attention, but since I've already outlined attention-grabbing techniques in my script, I'll simply delete the first scene. To change the voiceover, navigate to the scene and then to the voiceover section. A big list of voices will show. I have already marked my favorites. I will choose Ellen. This tool also offers voice cloning if you prefer to use your own voice. I will remove some picture-in-picture elements from the scenes because I prefer to keep only 1 or 2 throughout the entire video, but this is a matter of personal preference. The video already includes background music, but I want to change it to something more relaxed. This tool offers a selection of music, but I will opt for a track from Epidemic Sound, which produces fantastic music. A link to Epidemic Sound will be in the description. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments. Now, to change the image or video from the scene, just click on the scene and then click on the layout image. You have multiple options here. You can select an image or video from a premium stock library without any additional cost. Just write what you are looking for and click on Search. I'm not sure which one to pick. I'll go with the first one, although both were excellent options. You can preview the scene by clicking on the play button next to the scene number. I'll mute the audio because it's a surprise for later. If you prefer, you can also use an AI-generated image. Simply enter your prompt and click on Generate. If you don't like the image, click on Regenerate for a new image, which takes about 5 seconds for each generation. This one is excellent. I'll convert it to an animation. Before we continue, if you've made it this far, I have a special gift for you. I contacted the company to request a discount for my true followers. To redeem it, click the Fleeky link in the description and register. If you decide to pay for the plan, use the code FLICKY10 and it will give you a 10% off. Now to convert the image to an animation, click on the layout image, then click on My Library. Select the generated image and click on the play button at the top, then click on Generate. This will create a video clip with that image, taking about 15 seconds to process. Let's preview the clip. Great, let's use it. A tip here is to generate an animation for each image. It significantly improves the video's quality. To change the subtitles placement or style, select the scene, then the voiceover. You can change the position to anywhere you want and also adjust the volume, font, size, display animation, colors, and speed. Now I will show you how to add an AI avatar. But before we continue, please like and subscribe. Your support means a lot and allows me to create more content like this. First, click on the scene, and in the right panel, click on Avatar. It adds an avatar to your scene. You can change the position, size, and if you want the background to transparent. It also allows you to change the avatar. Just click on the avatar, and a large library of avatars will show up. Select the one you prefer. It also allows you to generate your own avatar or upload a new one. I will upload a new one and select it. Next, adjust the size, position, and background as you prefer. Once you're ready, click on Generate Avatar Video. I'm going to remove it because I don't plan to use it in this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Even though you can use this tool for free, I highly recommend the premium plan. It's one of the few tools that I genuinely like and use. Even though $22 could seem like a lot, it's a great offer for the amount of value it provides. We're not finished yet, but let's watch the video first.
What if we found a way to live forever? Imagine no more fear of aging or death. Our lives could change drastically. Suddenly, overpopulation would become a pressing issue. With everyone living forever, where would we all fit? But think of the possibilities. We could master any skill, travel to every corner of the earth, and watch civilizations evolve. However, would we still cherish life? When something is infinite, we often start to take it for granted. Relationships might also change. With endless time, would we still form deep, lasting connections, or would they lose their meaning? And what about the planet? Could Earth sustain life indefinitely, or would we need to find new homes in the cosmos? What do you think would happen?
I'm starting a challenge. I will post videos for 30 days on a brand new TikTok account and show you the results at the end. Subscribe if you're interested in seeing this challenge. Also, let me know in the comments what you'd like me to create a video about using the What Would Happen If theme. You also have the option to translate your video into any language with just one click. First, click on More, then on Translate. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to change the language and even the location for the translated video. Now, to download your video, click on the Download button, then select the resolution and format. Click on Start Export, followed by Start. This process takes about a minute. After that, you can download your file. In the next video, I will show you how to join the TikTok Creativity Program from any country in the world. So, if you're interested, please like and subscribe. Your support means a lot. Thank you for watching.